Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the app LinkedCamp inside your sub account. So let's get started. Once you search for the app in App Marketplace, you go at install and then allow an install. In order to get the installation going, you need to provide the API key. So let's paste it. Here you go. Continue. And we have success, which means the tool is already installed. So at the level of the custom page, before we access the tool, let's refresh the app. Here we are. So we scroll down. There you go. We have linked camp. We click on link camp, and we have our new interface. Here we have the documentation. If you click on it, it will provide the different steps that you're supposed to follow in order to set up the tool. And at the level of tutorials, you can access this module that's going to show you how to get all the credentials. And down here, of course, you have the setup video, the level of setup. You can see the status of the app. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you ever have any problem, feel free to reach our support team who's available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. Thank you for watching this video, guys.